We are a professional manufacturer of rubber products. In Taiwan, we have 30 years of manufacturing experience. Welcome to negotiate and inquire about rubber products. For product inspection, we do not miss every detail. We have sophisticated inspection equipment and measuring instruments. It can also meet the needs of customers, from mold design changes to process adjustments. We have rubber injection machines and rubber molding machines. In order to achieve the products required by customers, and make quality products that satisfy customers with parts, we can customize according to your favorite color. Enjoy your life. Choose your color. Silicone tableware is the safest material, with heat resistance ranging from -30 degrees to 200 degrees. If you have any question, welcome inquiry us.